Buffalo. We're born in the USA.
We were not. We are here on a shopping trip with our aunt and our other sister. She's with our aunt. And we are going to go to Target. Finally.
And
Trader Joe's and all the things that we miss. We're actually going to Olive Garden right now, which for Americans, you probably think Olive Garden, but in Canada, we don't have the Olive Garden. No breadsticks, nothing. So we are here for 2 days. I don't know how much I will vlog because I forgot my camera and I'm using my phone. I can probably cancel. And been up for a very long time. But yeah, we're excited. We're pumped.
We're pumped. We're gonna spend money.
Woo!
Hopefully not. I was telling Natalie we have the best country playlist.
We have been joined by Natalie. Our aunt is going to Sam's Club and we are going to Ulta. Love Ulta. Canadians are really missing out with Ulta. I think I like Ulta maybe a tinge bit more than Sephora, only because
I like it way better.
Do you really?
Yeah, it's way better.
I love Ulta. It doesn't have obviously all the brands, but
Sephora gives you headaches.
oh, I love both. Sephora and
I
Ulta
like
are
it.
probably like my two favorite stores, but I love Ulta, and I used to go to Ulta so much.
I grind my teeth in Sephora.
Windy. Ulta, the promised land. Oh, I missed you so much. Oh, this is good, thanks. Oh, this brows, nice. It's like the Charlotte Tilbury. Gotta go find Mario. Why? Being here just makes me so happy. Like, it feels like I'm in Kansas City, and recently I've been like really missing living there. And this just makes me feel a little bit like my other home. Emily, buy this for us. Look at this. Buy it for us.
Alright. I'll just do 2 massages. Put it in the bank.
Are you really?
Kind of do want it. Are you getting my muscles?
Wow, your muscles look really big. Wow. I'm not helping you. Flex. Flex for the camera. Whoa there.
Here it is. Like, I bring so much food to work that I could use.
We are now in Sam's Club looking for our aunt. We also don't have Sam's Club. Wow. It just got like dark. I look crazy. Natalie looks very nice. Natalie's always full glam.
No.
0 to 10, she's either 0 or she's 10.
That's true. I am always in the negative. If I make it past 1, it's a good day.
Okay, let's go find Aunt Sue. We are just come out of the mall. It is a crazy windstorm here.
90 kilometers an hour.
Like literally we were blowing away. Literally.
I flew to Timbuktu.
I don't know if you can hear or see. Can you hear that? Can you hear the wind?
Man, look at that guy with his braided hair.
Anyways, we got a ton of incredible deals. I'll have to show you later. I guess we'll have to bring this all into a hotel so it doesn't get stolen.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, having a fun time. We're going to Target next. Target.
I'm gonna make the run.
Oh my goodness.
You can tape me.
Okay.
Emily.
Godspeed.
Peace be with you. Literally Godspeed.
Oh my gosh. She's blowing away. Oh. Look at that security guard. He can barely hold the. Like there's a swirl.
Oh my gosh. It is dangerous over there. There's rocks flying up. I'm gonna sue them for all their worth.
Oh my gosh. Like look at that. That is crazy. It's like making a tornado. Right there. That just happened. This is really crazy.
Target! We're at home.
big one. We are stocking up on all the Dasani flavors that you can't get in Canada. Picked up a few things. I might buy a shirt. We will see. We're just cruising around. This is the best of the Magnolia homes. I love it. I want everything. It is not that cold. It's freezing and I don't want my hair blowing back in all the mountains. Got some good stuff.
That's your door yet?
In my hotel room. Staying the night. Can't really see the falls. I'm in Niagara Falls area. I feel so bad for Andrew. We were supposed to go all together today, but he had to work, so he said he would take a bus from Toronto to Buffalo, which typically it takes, on a no traffic, it takes about an hour and 15 minutes to get here. He has been on the bus since 5:30, and it is 9:30 because the way there was such high winds today that they closed the bridge to get here. And he's saying people are throwing up and all of this stuff, and this is the second time he's taken a bus, and it's been absolutely horrific experience. And he's still not supposed to get here for like another hour. I feel horrible because obviously it ruined his entire evening here. There's almost like no point in coming because like well, obviously we want to spend time with him later tonight and like tomorrow, but it just really, really stinks that he missed out on all of tonight. I feel really, really bad. Sad. Anyways, we're just freshening up, which I don't think I can really freshen up. I mean, I look though terrible. And then we're gonna go have dinner. So late. I wanna quickly show you what I got. They were having phenomenal sales everywhere we went. I got these really cute booties from Lucky Brand. I don't own anything like this. And I typically, it's so dark in here, don't buy anything like this. I'll try and show you. But I thought these were super cute. And then from Target, I bought this top. Isn't that so cute? And it's like different because it's like it has like a little strap here and then the thick with the bow, like peplum. It's super cute. And this is by the Who What Wear, and I thought this was a pretty good deal. It was $24.99, which is not a bad price. And then I went to this cosmetic outlet and everything was 40% off. I got this Bobbi Brown cleansing oil. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been searching for a good cleansing oil. And this was, how much was this? Okay, so I think this was like $30 on sale, and then you got another 40% off, which was amazing. This, which I love Bumble and Bumble, this they had for like, I got it it was like originally $20 for 40% off, like $12 for all of these. Like that is such a good deal. And so those are just a few things that I've gotten so far. It is 8:30 in the morning and I'm getting ready because we have another day. We did not go to bed till like 2 a.m. No, 1:30. So I am exhausted and Andrew's still sleeping. I'm just getting ready for the day and then we're gonna do more shopping. All ready for the day, just waiting to go have breakfast. I'm starving, having a coffee. I also have a massive headache. And I think that's just from not sleeping. I mean, obviously I never sleep that great when I'm not in my own bed. And I'm like very puffy from, we ate at like 11 o'clock at night. That is, if you want, that is just asking for a swollen face. And I feel congested, but I'm really excited to go shopping. I cannot buy anything. Ugh. I need to make a return, but I'm having such a good time. On this trip, Natalie has bought by far the most out of everybody, which is not a bad thing. She's using her birthday money, but it's been fun watching everyone spend money.
Wait, I want to show what I bought.
Okay, show what you bought. Oh, and she got these. She really wanted them. The Tarte. What are they? The mermaid brushes.
Mermaid brushes.
Ooh la la.
It's so funny. I mean, what? Like, I'm sure. Like, what a message it's sending out.
I know. Hi, Lee. I haven't really been filming any of our shopping, but we've done a lot of shopping. Yeah, I got some cute stuff from Urban Outfitters. We're in the Penny. We gotta find the elevator. I think it's down that way. She was not very nice. We're having a great time though. And then we're just gonna do a few more. I'm gonna return something to Ulta, and then we're gonna go to Target one more time, and then go get something to eat and to the falls. We're gonna go take a little gander down by the falls. Down by the falls, down by the falls, down by the falls. Hey, 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 hey. Do you want me to push you at 1.2? It's kind of fun. It's kind of scary. No, you're tired. I'm not that as tired as you are.
This is the Wild West version.
Ooh. Look at this Qdoba. Why can't I say it? This is our last stop before home.
They have cherry Coke.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Oh, America, we love you. I do miss. Do you miss America?
Sometimes.
Today is that day for me.
And then I cross the border and remember, I love Canada.
Niagara Falls.
Ontario, where the da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Oh, is there like an accident?
Where?
I don't know. They were just like moving. Oh no, they have dogs sniffing over there.
Can you see the falls?
Barely.
You probably will in a second. Yeah, you will.
Ow. You like really see the tops of the.
Do you want me to open this one?
No.
Well, show them the Crown Plaza. The crown jewel of Niagara.